Hello everyone. Today, thank you for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you all. My name is Khushbu and I'm a student. I'm from Rajiv Nagar, Chhawani, Bhilai, and there are 6 members in my family. My father is an auto mechanic and my mother is a homemaker. I have got 3 siblings. They all are students, and my future plan is to become a software engineer. Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Rajiv Nagar, Chhawani, Bhilai.
Where is it?
It is in Chhawani.
How far is it from here?
It is 2 to 3 kilometers far from here.
Okay, tell us something about your locality.
Of course, my locality's name is Rajiv Nagar, Chhawani, Bhilai. There are many facilities like which should be in a good locality for a human being who lives there. Like there are water facilities and electricity facilities, and in my locality there are many trees. That's why I call it greenery place. And in my locality there are many companies, and which is very famous in Bhilai, like Syscol company and many more. And there are many good people, like they're very helping kind of nature, and they help each other whenever they get difficulties, and they always share things with each other, like with their neighbors whenever they get any difficulties. So that's it.
As you said, you are a student. What type of student you are?
Actually, I'm a school going student.
Okay, are you punctual or not? That is what I want to know.
Yes, I am punctual.
Tell us something about your school.
Okay, my school's name is Jagriti High Secondary Vidyalaya. It is in Chhawani Nagar, where I live, and my school is neither big nor small, but that's a good school because there are many teachers who teach us very well, and they're very well educated. They talk to everyone by in a friendly way, so that a student or any people can understand them, and also the people parents also respect teachers of there, and their teaching style is very good because they always teach in a easiest way, so that a student could understand everything. And in my school there is a playground, and my principal's name is Mr. R.K. Chaube sir. He's a very good teacher also. That's it.
What's your biggest achievement till now?
Till now, my biggest achievement that I can speak English very well. Before when I was in class 8. From then I used to think that why I'm not able to speak in English, because after coming into class 9th, everybody used to say to me that you can't be able to speak English as well as others speak. But I had a belief to speak in English at that time, so I think I'm speaking English. That is my biggest achievement till now.
Tell us more about your English learning journey.
Okay. When I was in class 9th, from then I started. Actually, when I was in class 9th, I heard about this class from my friend who used to come here, and after listening from her these things, I told to my father that I want to get admitted here and I want to learn English because I really want to do it. And he said that wait for a little bit, I will inquiry of this class, and after that I will come to you and I will get you admitted here. Then I said okay, and he also came to sir, and actually he admitted me here, and after that I joined, and I used to come here. And before joining this class, I was not that much confident, and I used to get trembled while coming in front of people, and I don't used to speak much, but I used to speak in front of my family only. But now I can speak, I can make friends to a stranger people, like who can sit with me, and I can talk to them in English, and I can make friends. That's it.
What benefits you got from here? If you compare yourself from past when you started and now, what changes are you observing in yourself?
Like I said, after joining this class, I have observed many things in my life. That is, I became more confident, and now I am too confident to learn new skills because I have learned English. Before that, I used to think that I don't know English, then how can I learn any skill or something? I used to get afraid from it, but now I have that confidence to learn anything because I know English very well, and I can do anything. I can speak with the people in English, and if I want to do job to the basis of English, that I can do, because English is very important in our life, and it has really changed my life, I think.
As we all know, you are Hindi medium students and now you are speaking in English. How do you feel? And what about your other friends who are your classmates? They are from Hindi mediums and they can't speak in English. Do you talk in English with them? And how they react when they listen you?
As all know that I'm a Hindi medium student, and I can speak English, so the people think that I'm a English medium student, not a Hindi medium student. Many of the time I struggle to make them understand that I'm a Hindi medium student, not English medium student. And as you asked, what about my friends? Then actually, I don't have many good friends. When I started coming here, they started being jealous of me because I used to get good marks in class. So because of that, they used to get jealous of me. And after joining this class, I started speaking good, so they get more jealous. And sometimes whenever I used to talk to my teachers, and they always feel like they come to me and they will fight with me because I speak English, and I have become more famous in school because of this. And I can talk to my teacher in English. That's because they are not my friends actually.
What are your expectations from here?
The expectation from here, that is, I want to make myself better than before, and I want to achieve that goal. That is my future plan by learning English. And that I said, I want to get confident in myself because I am very disappointed girl who always get disappointed by after doing something, and when I get failed in that, so I always feel disappointed in that. But after coming here, and I get that confident. But sometimes when I don't come to speak in front of everyone, I always feel trembled, and I also feel fearness sometimes.
What's your future plan?
Actually, my future plan is to become a software engineer.
What are you doing for it?
For that, I could say I have joined a computer class because I don't know anything about computer, so I am learning computer nowadays.
What are your qualities and bad qualities according to you?
Okay, according to me, my good qualities are that is, I like to learn new things, and I like to explore new skills, and whenever something different comes to me, I always try to discover it. And my bad quality is that sometimes I used to wake up very late.
I am used to it.